Welcome everyone to another one of our latest videos. Today, I'll demonstrate how you can download, install, or update apps from the App Store on your iPhone or iPad, specifically iOS 14 and 15, without the need for credit card information verification or any payment method. Let's dive right in without delay. To begin, navigate back to your home screen and follow these step-by-step instructions. First, open the Settings app on your device. Next, navigate to your Apple Idaho profile. Then, select Media and Purchases. Proceed to View Account. Now choose Country or Region. Select Change Country or Region. From the list, pick your country, for instance, the United States. Once done, tap on your ID again. Now, select the payment method, opting for None. Fill in the required information. You can input dummy data here. Select your state, e.g., California, and provide the corresponding zip code. Enter your phone number, you can use a fake one. Tap on Next. Finally, return to your home screen. Now, open the App Store. Search for the desired app you wish to download, install, or update, e.g., TikTok. Tap on the app. Enter your Apple Idaho password when prompted. Hit Install. Voila. The app is now installing without requiring any credit card or debit card information. That wraps up today's video tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.